Hey first graders, happy Tuesday. You guys worked really hard yesterday on your phonics lessons with the OU letters, which makes the ow sound. Today I'm going to teach you about OW, and that also sounds like ow. Okay, yesterday I told you it sounds like the sound you'd say when you fall and scrape your knee. So just like OU says ow, so does OW. Can you say ow? So both of these letters together say ow. Okay, yesterday we practiced some words with OU like loud, loud. Okay, today we're going to practice some words with OW like ow, how. Okay, so your target today is to be able to read and write words with OW in them. And OW says what? It says ow. All right, over here on the left, I have sound boxes just like we had yesterday. So we are going to practice reading and writing words together. Right now, you need to pause the video, go get a notebook or something to write with, and then start it when you have your writing materials ready. I have my pen and my notebook with me, and I am ready to rock and roll. All right, our first word today is owl. Owl is a type of bird, okay? Owl. I see that there's two sound boxes for it. I hear ow and ul. Owl. What do you think would go in the first box? It says ow. We're learning about OW today, which says ow. So write in OW. You don't need to draw these boxes. They're just to help you see the words. Ow. What says ul? Ul. L. Owl. That's how you spell owl. Okay, your next word today is vow. Vow is like a promise. Oopsies. Let's chop up the word vow. Vow goes v, ow, vow. There, we're back to normal. Vow, v, ow. Write that down. I heard v. And what says ow? OW. Yesterday we learned that OU also says ow, but today our focus is OW. That says vow. Okay, our next word. What animal says moo? Did you guess it? A cow. Let's write cow. So in our first sound box it goes k and then ow. Cow. Write down cow. What says k? K should be a C. K. What says ow? O-W. That says cow. Our next word is now. Now. Goes n, ow. Right now. I should see n and ow. I know that ow is O-W. Now. Your next word has 3 sounds in it. The word is down. Let's sound it out with each box. D, ow, n. Down. I fell down and I said ow. Down. What says d? D. Then we have ow, d, own. Down. That says down. Your next word is gown. Gown is a fancy dress. Okay, so we have 3 sound boxes, which means there's 3 sounds. Let's do it together. Ready? G, ow, n. Gown. Write it down. G, ow, Gown. Okay, last one for today. This one's gonna be 5 letters long, but there's just 3 sounds in it. It's clown. Clown, like that you could see at a circus. Let's sound it out. We've got 3 sound boxes. Cool, ow, What blend says cool? Like in clap, or clip, or clown. What says cool? CL. Cool, ow. What says N? Clown. We did it. All right, now we're going to go back from the top to the bottom and we are going to practice reading our words and then we're going to read them from the bottom to the top. We're going to get double the amount of practice today. Our first word is owl. Owl. Read it with me. Next one is ow. Vow. K. Ow. Cow. Ow. Now. Down, down, gown, gown, cool, clown. Okay, now from the bottom back to the top. Cool, clown. Make sure you're reading with me. Gown, gown, down, down, ow, now. Ow, cow. Ow, vow. Owl, owl. Excellent job. You guys did it. Now, what I want you to do is go to Seesaw, and in your activities, there will be an activity for you to do where you're going to be sorting words that have the ow sound. Now, some of the words have OW in them, and some of the words have OU in them. But we know that both of these letters together make the ow sound. Your job is to simply sort the words either on the OW side or the OU side, depending on what's in the word, and then you need to practice reading them all. But remember, every single word that you're reading on the activity has the ow sound in it. I know you can do it, and I hope you have so much fun doing it.